Hello students, welcome to Magesh classes. In this video we are going to discuss about plus 2 chemistry volume 2 hydroxy compounds and ethers short answer questions type. Here we have been discussing so far up to 10 questions and 12 and 11 and 12 is a direct question. One is how is phenol prepared from chlorobenzene and isopropyl benzene, and explain Kolb reaction is a direct question. So we have skipped this and we start from question number 13 and 14 in this video. Let us move into the question part. Question number 13. Write the chemical equation for Williamson synthesis of 2-ethoxy 2-methyl pentane, starting from ethanol and 2-methyl pentane to all. This reaction is Williamson synthesis. We are going to prepare 2-ethoxy 2-methyl pentane. So what is the formula? In the second carbon, the ethoxy group is connected to ethoxy and one more 2-methyl, and the long chain consists of pentane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the structure of 2-ethoxy 2-methyl pentane. And we have to prepare this ether from ethanol that is CH3 CH2OH, and the next combination is 2-methyl pentane 2-all. 2-methyl pentane 2-all. So here one OH. So this hydrogen is removed for the structure, and pentane CH2 CH2 CH3. So these are the combinations we have to prepare this type of ether. The method is Williamson synthesis. In Williamson synthesis, it is a combination of alkyl halide and sodium alkoxide. You get the product ether. Here it is alkyl halide and it is sodium alkoxide. In Williamson synthesis, the limitation is to prepare the ether, we have to select the alkyl halide in the primary form. So it is a primary alcohol. We have discussed previous video what is primary and what is secondary and what is tertiary, and what are the tricks to find out the primary, secondary, tertiary, etc. So CH2OH is present, so it is primary alcohol. So this combination is primary. And here the COH is present, and so it is tertiary. So by taking alkyl halide, which one is opted? Either ethyl chloride or this tertiary halides. You have to select the primary halide, so it is primary. So the combination is CH3 CH3 CH2 Cl or I. So for better living, I have been taken. So ethyl iodide, and this is in the form of alkoxide, that is CH3 C. This is in the form of alkoxide, so that you can prepare this ether. Okay. Otherwise, you take this as alkyl iodide and this is sodium ethoxide. What happens? Sodium ethoxide eliminate the compound instead of forming the ether, so that the product Williamson product is formed Na, and here I minus NaI is removed. So in place of Na, what they substituted? CH3C CH2. So instead of I, CH2 CH3. So ethoxy group is connected, and your methyl group here, this CH2 CH2 CH3. So this is the required compound. So by taking ethyl iodide with tertiary ethoxide to form the required ether. If the components are in the reverse form, that is tertiary iodide and sodium ethoxide, the product is not the ether, so it is eliminated. So it is Williamson ether synthesis, preparation of ether, combination of alkyl halide and alkoxide. Alkyl halide should be primary, so that ether is effectively formed. Okay. See next question. Question number 14. Write the structure of aldehyde, carboxylic acid and ester that yield 4-methyl pent-2-ene 1-all. So what are the aldehydes obtained from this given formula? First of all, 4-methyl pent-2-ene 1-all. Pentane long chain consists of 5 carbon. The second position, the double bond is present. And the first place, the OH is present. So it is CH2OH. To fill, here it is CH. And in the second, fourth one, the methyl group is present. So it is CH3. It will be CH. And here it will be CH. So this is a structure, that is 4-methyl pent 2-in-1. The question is, write the structure of the aldehyde, carboxylic acid and ester obtained from this compound. So what is the corresponding aldehyde? The aldehyde is this CH2OH part is converted into aldehyde. So you obtain the aldehyde like this, CH3CH. This is the aldehyde. The name of the compound is 4-methyl. Long chain consists of 5 carbons, so it is pent 2-ene 1-Al aldehyde. And carboxylic acids. This CH2OH will be converted into COH. The structure is CH3CH, CH, double bond CH. This is converted into COH. Name of the compound 4-methyl pent 2-ene 1-ic acid, or it is ic acid. One is not given to the carboxylic acid. And ester. Ester means this part is converted into, alkyl part is converted into, connected to the acid. So this alcohol is linked to the acid to form the ester. For example, acetic acid is connected. You get the product CH3, CH, double bond CH, and instead of this alcohol, the acid part is added. Okay, the name of the compound is, it is alkyl alkanovate, so it is ethanoate. So this part is the alkyl. So it is nothing, it is 4-methyl pent. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4-methyl pent 2-ene I'll ethanoate. Okay students, we have come to the end of this slide. Thank you for watching.